Hello guys, good morning DXN and welcome with this a new video on your channel DXN with Nazmi. Today I will give you 10 steps to start and go professional in your DXN business. The first one is to participate and make a membership. And here actually you have two options. You can either go to the nearest DXN office in your town, or you can easily register online. But I highly recommend you to register and start the business with someone you already know or with a good DXN team leader, so you can be provided with information, tips, and the easiest ways to get the top. You have to activate your membership by buying products with 100 point value, and you can for sure sell it to anyone you want. But I highly recommend you to buy it yourself in the first time, and this is actually step number 2. You have to use the product to consist your own experience and trust with it. Use the healthy and high quality and tasty products, and these are some of many. And this is actually one of the most problems that multi-levels marketers repeatedly face. How are you gonna sell products or build networks or train your team and you don't even know the product that your company makes? We need a big answer here. Step number 3 is to learn about the DXN business, about the company, the product, about the compensation plan. You should, at least at the beginning, watch the basic training of the company. Let's jump quickly to step number 4. You have to write a list contains all the people you know and who could be a candidate partner in the business. Then you can go wider and find prospects in the social media where you have a bigger chance to find ambitious people like you. Step number 5 is to introduce the business with an interesting and smart way, because inviting people actually is the main element to build your network. Okay, let's go forward to the step number 6. Step number 6 is to register who likes the opportunity and focus on the ambitious people, and always remember, do not beg anyone to participate with you and show the strength of your company. Step number 7 is simply to follow up with those who want really to change their lives with a project for life. Step number 8, duplicate the number of the strong and smart leaders in your network so you can work, develop, and share experience together. Step number 9 is to train your team permanently to keep your results up and to make sure that your team is growing. Text them, call them, and schedule meeting with them. And do not forget to motivate them, because you are the leader. You are the source of energy. Step number 10 is to set your goals, which is the last and most important one. You should have a clear view about why you are here with this project. What are you gonna achieve with it? Is it gonna change your life? Is it gonna make it better? The target will make you passionate about this business. Be honest with yourself and think smart. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. This is Nazmi Das, and see you next time.